Welcome to Sailing Serenade, Episode 8. Serenade was launched in 1981 and is coming up close to 40 years old. Like us all, as we get older, cracks appear in our health, and Serenade is no different. Serenade has a cancer in the form of rot. The rot is throughout the cockpit roof, the dodger, and has affected the rear port side wall. It's been a long time coming, but Serenade's cockpit roof is finally ready to be installed. I had already repaired the forward part and front port side window around a year ago, but the roof was like a sponge, soaked with water, and eventually affected the rear part of the port side wall. Apart from the paper mache telltale signs, if you tap along the side wall, you will distinctly hear the damage the rot has caused. The rot had not only affected the port side wall, it has also damaged the supporting beams. So I have basically had a whole new sidewall built before the new cockpit roof was installed. After chasing and cutting out all the rot, I replaced the main beam with Australian hardwood and the side panel with marine ply. I coated the timber with Everdure, a wood hardener. I then painted the timber with a resin named Flow Coat to properly seal the wood. This job will require a few more coats of paint, which I'll complete when the new roof is installed. Serenade's roof was made of marine ply and laminated, but the new roof is made of composite, a mixture of wood, foam and fiberglass. Once installed, it will never have to be replaced. Can you imagine being out at sea in a violent storm and then have a massive wave come crashing down on your roof? I'm pretty sure it would look like this. So my part, removing the roof, was complete. Now it's up to the shipwrights to do their part, and that was to install the new cockpit roof. The shipwright assured me that the structure, meaning the roof, is so strong that I would be able to stand on the top of the Dodger's roof. After the roof is glued and screwed down, the roof then has to be shaped and faired in. hope you've enjoyed Sailing Serenade episode 8. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and share. And of course, thank you very much for watching.